Hello dear students, hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School which is situated in Golabachar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, in my last video we have completed a poem Miss Polly and its exercises. Now today's video we are going to the next, that is chapter number 4. We are going to learn about the next chapter, that is chapter number 4, and the title of this chapter is A Rainy Day. So dear student, first of all you all take out your New Chance English Reader book and open chapter number 4. So tell me what's the title of this chapter? The title of this chapter is A Rainy Day. What's the title of this chapter? The title of this chapter is A Rainy Day. So tell me what the spelling of rainy day? So the spelling of rainy day is R-A-I-N-Y, rainy, D-A-Y, day. Okay student? So dear student, first of all I will tell you what is a rainy day. Do you know what the meaning of rainy day? So a rainy day is a day which cools the weather with rain showers and a refreshing breeze. What is rainy day? A rainy day is a day which cools the weather with rain showers and a refreshing breeze. It is a boon for trees, birds, animals, plants and people during summer. And dear student, in this story we are going to learn about a little boy whose name is Amol. He is coming back from school and he is feeling scared because there are black clouds in the sky, but he does not get wet himself and his books. So we're going to read this beautiful story. So let's get start. So dear student, as you can see at your screen, there is a little boy who is coming back from school and he doesn't want to be wet because he feel very scared when he see black clouds in the sky, and this little boy doesn't want to get wet and he also doesn't want his books to get wet. So what happened, we're going to learn through this story. So student, first of all we're going to read and after that I will explain this story to you. Okay, so let's get start the reading. So first of all you all put finger on your book and start reading. So there is a first line, Amol is coming back from home. Student, where is Amol coming back from? So Amol is coming back from school. He is walking fast. Why he is walking fast? Because there are black clouds in the sky. Because there are black clouds in the sky. And he is feeling scared. How did he feel when he saw the black clouds in the sky? So he feels scared. And he was thought that what if it rains? So next is, he does not have a raincoat. This little boy doesn't have a raincoat. So that's why he feels very scared because he does not want to get wet. He does not want to get wet and he does not want his books to get wet. So what happened the next? Dear student, in this story we have learned that there is a little boy whose name was Amol and he is coming back from school and he is walking fast because there are black clouds in the sky, and when he saw the black clouds he feel very scared, and because he doesn't want to get wet and he also doesn't want to his books get wet, so that's why he walking fast. And what happens suddenly? So suddenly it begins to rain. What happened? Suddenly it begins to rain. Big raindrops fall on Amol. Big raindrops fall on Amol. So suddenly the rain begins and the big raindrops fall on Amol's, and the big raindrops fall on the road and they fall on the house edge. So what happened next? As you can see, there is a black clouds in the sky and suddenly it begins to rain and the big raindrops fall on a mole, house edge and on the road. So come to the next page. A mole stand under a tree when rain is begin. So a mole stand under a tree. Okay. A mole stand under a tree. The tree does not let a mole get wet. The tree does not let a mole get wet. And after that, what happened? A little pup comes running. As you can see, there is a little pup in this story. So, a little pup comes running. The pup is brown and cute. The pup is brown and cute. So, the cute pup stops near a mole. As you can see in your book that there is a little cute pup who is brown in color. He comes and stands near a mole. So what happened the next? The cute pup stops near a mole and it rains and rains. It rains and rains. The tree gets wet. Firstly, the tree gets wet. Secondly, a mole gets wet. And after that, the little pup gets wet too. Who gets wet first? The tree gets wet. After that, second is a mole gets wet. Third, the little pup gets wet too. So what happened the next? So suddenly, when a mole, trees and the little pup get wet, so what happened the next? So suddenly it stops raining. What happened? Suddenly it stops raining and a mole runs home. A mole runs home. He wants to reach home soon. He wants to reach home soon. The pup runs after him. It starts raining again. Oh, what a rainy day. Oh, what a rainy day. So student, when a mole is coming back from school, in this story we have learned that when a mole is coming back from school, so that time he saw the black clouds in the sky, as you can see, and he thought that if it rains, and that time he doesn't want to get wet because he does not have any raincoat, umbrella or anything, so that's why he does not want to get wet, and he also don't want to not want his books to get wet. So suddenly it begins to rain and big raindrops fall on a mole, they fall on the road and they fall on the house edge. So as you can see, there is a little cute pup who is brown in color. So when a mole is running, so after him this little cute pup running after the mole. Okay, and when a mole stand under a tree to protect himself, so that time this little pup comes running and the pup is brown and cute and the cute pup stops near a mole. So it rains and rains, the trees get wet, a mole gets wet and the little pup gets wet too. They all are gets wet. Okay, so suddenly it stops raining. A mole runs home as soon as possible. He is running when the rain is stopped, so he wants to reach home soon, and the pup runs after him. It starts raining again. When a mole runs very fast, he wants to reach his home as soon as possible, so the little pup running after him, and again it starting raining. So that time a mole said, oh, what a rainy day, because it's raining again. So student, we have to learn this beautiful story, and we have to learn about the rainy day, that in rainy day we have always carried the raincoat and umbrella to protect ourselves from the rain. When we carry umbrella and raincoat, it protect ourselves to get wet. Okay, so dear student, now this is the story that we learned in this video. Now I will explain the next remaining exercises. I'm going to explain exercises of this chapter in my next video. So dear student, your homework is you have to read this chapter and find out the hard words of this chapter. Okay? Thank you.